Hello everyone, this is our presentation about immersive theatre and immersive technologies in education. Immersive theatre has become a widely used term to describe the trend of performances that use installations and extensive environments where their audiences move around and take part in the action. The spatial boundaries are expanded and vague, and the viewer participates in the action along with the artist rather than watching passively. The idea of using immersion in education to achieve learning outcomes is not new. Virtual reality technologies are often used as a way to promote or raise awareness about specific topics or even convey crucial messages. The application of digital technologies in theatrical performances are used in various educational systems in order to enhance students' knowledge and awareness of sustainability issues, for example, and this method has been chosen as attractive and easy to assimilate. Firstly, we will examine the characteristics and structural elements of immersive theatre, providing a comprehensive understanding of what defines this unique form of performance. Then the section about immersive theatre in education explores the application within educational contexts, presenting various case studies from the literature. The final section, Immersive Technologies in Education, explores how technologies like VR and AR can enhance learning experiences and contribute to the broader framework of digital theatre to create immersive educational experiences. Immersive theatre can incorporate the use of technological means in its action. While watching a performance of traditional theatre, it is common to be asked to turn off the mobile phone, while in immersive theatre, it is equally likely to be asked to use the mobile phone as an element that is used in the action of the play. Such a performance may also involve brief narrative, dreamlike experiences, technological mediation, or promote communication with spectators. The search for application examples yielded many results, encouraging enough to further consider the integration of learning objects into an immersive performance, and here are some of them. In the research of Skip et al., 22 students took part in the creation of an immersive performance focused on personal data and emerging ethical issues. Students from different disciplines collaborated, and a new learning space was created where the audience participated in the act. They were free to wander, interact with the cast and other viewers, and interact with the scenery and the plot. The computer science students understood the social implications of their work, while the art students gained ease and understanding of technical issues. And in the research of Patergiannaki et al., the participation of individuals with autism spectrum disorder in an immersive performance specially designed for them was evaluated. The results revealed that participants who, according to the report, had higher levels of verbal skills, understood the story better, and were more attentive during the performances. The study may not be about the acquisition of knowledge of a learning object, but it was chosen because it targeted children who were accompanied by educators and had an educational character. In the research of Tacom and Morrow, they attempted to use simulation as a potentially more effective method to teach political science. So they designed an innovative teaching approach to explore ways in which ideas drawn from immersive theatre could be used to communicate political ideas in the classroom. The use of immersive theatre highlights the potential to develop teaching approaches that actively involve students in finding solutions to theoretical problems, while also encouraging participants in negotiation, discussion, and cultivating communication and teamwork skills. When referring to digital technologies and education, and more specifically to theatre education, we include in our reference all those digital technologies that can simultaneously maintain functionality, artistic character, and serve the educational purpose during theatre instruction through smart mobile devices, laptops, or with the involvement of educational digital games, cameras, or even alternative forms of digital performances. There are several educational projects that use digital immersive technologies to enhance city skills, for example. Digital theatre could be defined as the presentation of the coexistence of live artists and audience with the simultaneous presence and use of digital media that hold a significant place in this composition in such a way that it combines spoken word or narrative elements and limited interactivity or participation. Within this framework, a theater realized through immersive technologies such as VR headsets and 360 video could be integrated into the framework of digital theater and could also enrich theater in education. The research of Hamilton et al., conducted through a literature review, found that of the studies in which the use of immersive virtual reality technology was used, positive learning outcomes occurred in half of them, and especially in those where complex concepts and problems required spatial perception and visualization. In those studies where IVR technology did not outperform those that used less immersive technology, only a few showed negative learning outcomes. In the research of Kaimara et al., a system was created for teaching daily morning routines to children with ASD, whether or not they had learning difficulties, and the age group belonged to preschool and early school age. The program was named Waking Up in the Morning, and among other strategies, included experiential techniques, involvement of social stories, and emphasized role model observation using VR and 360 video techniques, as well as non-digital methods, and the researchers categorized it as a theatrical performance that can also be performed as digital theater since it provides the option of multiple scenarios and relies on the contribution of actors. Particularly encouraging results in terms of achieving an immersive experience, the presence of interaction and entertainment, and the achievement of educational goals were shown in the research of Theodoropoulos et al., in which 33 participants took part in a specially designed game that used virtual reality technology, the VR cave tool, and the idea of the escape room, and was applied at the Human-Machine Communication and Virtual Reality Laboratory of the University of the Peloponnese. It was noted that this could serve as a fun yet engaging way to teach learning subjects or to convey important messages. To sum up, how can immersive technologies such as VR and AR enhance the educational potential of immersive theater? This paper presents immersive theater, which actively engages the spectator, and digital theater, which is enriched with immersive technologies to achieve a more complete immersive experience as extensions of theater and education that weren't further studied in research. The applications that have already appeared in education in order to obtain better learning outcomes have provided encouraging results, and research on theater and education using new technologies is constantly evolving. However, a special and crucial role is held by the teacher, who is the key implementer of any innovation that has potential positive result and can be used in teaching. Thank you all for watching.